Okay, I'm going to show how I set up my cords on the buckles to have a nice neat finish, especially when you're having two colors on your two different colors on your bracelets. This is a 5/8 inch non-adjustable buckle, all from eXtremePara. I like the curved buckles best, but that's just a personal preference. For the curved buckles, you can figure out which side is the top and bottom. Obviously the curve pointing down is going to be your bottom. Then just take color, take our cord, already joined using the Manny method, make a small loop, go up underneath so the loop is sitting on top, like a small lark's head. And pull that through. Now our joint sitting here on the bottom. Now just do one side at a time. Same thing, go back underneath to the outside. There. Put it through. Then the loop that you just made with that color, go down through that. Take just a little bit of fidgeting, get it nice and neat and sitting flat. So that's one color done. Now, same thing with the other color. The loop, the end, go up through the bottom, coming out on top. Pull that through. So you should have that. And take that end, same color, go down through that loop that you just made. And a little bit of snugging it up, and there we have it. There's one side done. Your joint here, if you can tell, is sitting just lower than the cords coming out through the buckle, so you won't feel that against your wrist. Then just connect it to your buckles on your jig. See that? So I go down through the top. Come up through. Since this cord is on the right side, make sure your navy blue is on the right, and you come up just to the left or the inside of that cord. Same thing with the silver gray. Go down through the top, then come back up through the inside. Okay, and set that one to the side. Now, he went down through the top, came out the bottom, then came up between your two core strands. Gonna go over to the right, to the side a little bit, and come back up through underneath, at the top, and should have a loop here. Take that strand, go back down through it. And that's it. Takes just a little bit of fidgeting to get it snug. Too loose and your bracelet sizing won't be right. Too tight and may end up having to start over. Now for the silver gray, do the same thing. Come up underneath. Okay. Pull that through. Then take that strand with your loop, go down through that loop. And there you have it. That is how I set up the colors, join colors on my bracelets. Okay? Thank you very much.